Hi friends, this is the circuit joined four diodes between battery means I am making this DC convert into AC voltage. Everybody knows how to make AC to DC, but many people don't know how to make DC to AC. Is you can see how I joined the battery positive to both positive of diode negative both negative diodes and AC side is one plus or one minus and both side. Then when DC gets to the diode, how a diode convert AC into DC, like the same opposite connection is this. Understand? This is a system to make AC into DC. Okay, you can see in very nearest. Okay.